Hi ladies, I wanted to show you how you basically explore Vizzlie, how you find the template that you want to use, how you edit it, and then how you apply it to the party so that your party posts are automatically running for you. So let me walk you through the steps for that. So first, this is our dashboard. This is what you'll see when you log in. If you have any parties running, this will be right here. And if you go all the way down, your first step is going to be choosing a template. And on our s'mores team, we have many templates to choose from. So I suggest you looking through them, doing a little preview, and deciding which one will be the best one for your launch party. For just the sake of showing you how this works, I am going to basically work off of a template that I'm going to be using for one of my groups coming up. So what I'm going to do is I see this here. I'm going to click on this little arrow and I want to look at it first, and you can do that by clicking on the eye. I want to look at the posts, I want to look at the graphics, I want to see what's there, I want to look at the videos, and if it is something that I decide I want to use, I'm going to pull it into my personal template gallery. And that's where you can edit it and personalize and make it your own. So all I'm going to do is press pull into personal template gallery. I'm going to import template. It says it's successfully loaded. It says open personal template gallery. I say you could press that. Let me show you the other way to get into there as well. There's a different way too. We were just on our s'mores team section right here. However, you scroll up, this is where you're going to find the templates that you can work from. And the one that you just pulled into your gallery will be found right here. So I have a lot of templates in here, and you won't have to do this second page thing, but it's in alphabetical order. I'm going to go look for the one that I need. So I know it's on the second page, I believe. Let's see if my computer lets me. Okay, so I find it right here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to now personalize it. This means changing the text, adding personal things about your family, about your experiences with literacy. You might switch up some of the graphics. You might add different videos. So that can all be done with edit. Just so you can see here, this tells you when the post is going out. It tells you the exact time, and it shows you the text that's included and then the graphic that is here. If you ever wanted to upload a different graphic, all you have to do is you can click here and you could drag it from your computer, and your files on your computer. So let's just pretend that I personalized this, I made it my own, and I'm ready to move on to the next post. All I do is update, and we're going to do that for each one of these, okay? And once you know that your party is what you want it to be, and you are ready to upload it to one of your Facebook groups, which is where you're having your parties on Facebook, then what you're going to do is scroll up. So we were just in planning, and now we're going to go to the the groups on Facebook. So I'm going to click group because your Facebook party is in a group. And you are going to now have to find your group that you would like to track. Track just means to follow. And you scroll down here. I'm going to look for where I want that script to be played. So I'm going to track this group. I don't know why my cover photo is not working, but it's there. So you say, yes, I would like to track this group. And when clicking yes, that makes it come up to the top. And if you would like to open that group, if you scroll down, there will be a part where you can use a template. So you're not going to add a new post if you already have a template ready to use. So you're saying, yes, I want to apply the template that I was working on to this particular party. So I'm going to go ahead and find it. So I said use template, and then I found this one. Keep any schedule post you've already created for this group. Yes, that's fine. You're going to select the starting time for your template. So that is the start time of your party. So it might be 8 p.m. at night, and it might be in a couple days, but it's very important that that is the start date and time of the actual event. Once that is okay, actually I'm going to do this right now because I'm going to actually use this. So my event is next Thursday, and it is at 8:30. And I'm going to say load template. So what you will see now looks very familiar to what you saw in the planning, except now there's times associated with it and there's dates associated with it. And let's say you got a late start and you need to edit some of the dates because maybe like you don't have 5 days until your party, you only have 4. So what you'll do is just edit. And you can change the time, you can change the date that it goes, and really just make it perfect for this particular party. Don't worry about those comments, that's actually for something different. And you're gonna see at the very bottom that we have some text replacements. And that is what you will do at the very end, right before you make your template go live, is you're going to edit all of those to include what is missing. So here we need the party link. Just put in the party link for that, and then you can press save. Here we need the host name. We need the date of the party and the party time. And what this will do is this will just kind of insert that information into the template so that the correct information is going out to the party guests. And I think that is it. That kind of gives you an idea. Let's just pretend that I was totally ready to make this go live on my page. What I would do is I would scroll up to the top and I would hit this button, Resume Automated Posts. You can at any time stop it. So if you need more time, if you need to edit some of the times, you can definitely stop it. But when this is pressed, everything goes live and things start automatically posting for you. One more note, and I know I mentioned this in earlier training, is that when you set up your group on Facebook, you need to go in and you need to make sure that you allow Vizzlie to access this group. If you do not add Vizzlie for the apps in the Facebook group, your post will not automatically post. So if you didn't do that, go back to the training where I asked you to create your Facebook group page, and the instructions are there. And then after that, all you do is you sit back and relax, and you can interact with your guests and not worry about posting the posts for your party. I hope this helps.